So here's a case study on how to create verticals. We always talk about not putting all your eggs in one basket, not relying on one business model, but creating multiple verticals, right? So you have different streams of revenue for your 3D crystal business or for any business of that matter. But the question comes, well, how do I create verticals? And we've given many different ideas in many videos that we have on our channels. However, I wanted to give a real life example of something that I did here while traveling through North Vancouver in British Columbia. So we visited the Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge, beautiful bridge, just gorgeous scenery over here. And, you know, it doesn't lend itself to being the right location for selling 3D crystals. However, what we did then was we said, all right, this isn't the only suspension bridge. There's got to be others. We did a search and found that in Vancouver, there is actually a key tourist location called the Capilano Suspension Bridge. It has a great gift shop, etc. So went over there and did some photography and some video and created from that a unique customized souvenir piece of the suspension bridge. Well, the suspension bridge is actually complemented by their key tourist feature, which is called cliff walk. So we actually created a 3D model of cliff walk. Our intention was to do the suspension bridge, but then we changed it. We did it of cliff walk. And this here is actually what it looks like and what it turned out like. Isn't it amazing? So this here is now, can you imagine like this 3D image of cliff walk, laser etched in crystal, on display in their gift shop, illuminated, looking beautiful, and a wonderful keepsake and souvenir for people to remember their time in Vancouver by, or in Vancouver with. So we sent the sample over to the folks over at Cliff Walk, and sure enough, an introduction of a unique product will generally lead to a response and will generally lead to some sort of a test, trial, and potential future reorders as well. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how you can build your business. This is just one of many examples of how I've kind of chipped away over the years at just building distribution. That's key. The key is building distribution. If you can build distribution, if you can get your product in as many places as possible, that is what's going to lead to reducing the risk and increasing your probability for success. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.